Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at some different uses for even. We use even to mean that something is unusual or surprising. For example, Tim never wears a coat, even in winter. They are extremely rich. They even own a castle. Joe has met a lot of famous people. He's even met the Queen of England. We can also use even in a negative sentence. She is a terrible cook. She can't even cook pasta. My boss is so rude. He doesn't even say hello in the morning. We use even in comparative sentences as well. She is strong, but he is even stronger. Living in Los Angeles is expensive, but living in Singapore is even more expensive. We can also use even when, even though, and even if, plus a subject and a verb. Remember this example? Tim never wears a coat, even in winter. Here, we can also say, Tim never wears a coat, even if it's winter. Or, Tim never wears a coat, even when it's cold outside. Another example could be, Tim isn't wearing a coat, even though it's cold outside today. Let's look at some more examples. My friend never smiles, even when it's her birthday. We cannot say, even it's her birthday. Sue has a nice coffee machine, even though she doesn't like coffee. We can't say, even she doesn't like coffee. Let's compare even if and even. You can't outrun an elephant, even if you are very fast. No one can outrun an elephant, even very fast runners. Let's compare even if and if. Many people will go to the beach if it's sunny. Sue will go to the beach even if it's rainy. If you run, you'll catch the train. Even if you run, you won't catch the train. Give it a go. Make a sentence using even and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.